pops out when I'm driving, that'd be good.
No, we'll take it.
There.
Reinforce it.
What's the tape for?
To hold it on.
If that pops off, he can fall forward.
Where are you gonna put this?
I would just wrap it like a one. Do a full 360 around. Do a full one around the hat. Do around the whole strap. There you go. Like a whole roll of tape, right?
I don't know.
You sure? If it's adhering to there,
Not going anywhere.
it's not going anywhere. Okay. You want one more piece, or you good?
That's pretty good.
Yeah, we're good.
I guess two.
Two's better than one.
Since he pulled it off the roll.
Yeah. You know how much that Gorilla Tape, you think he's worth it?
Absolutely.
All right. So let's see. Hey, step back, Jordan.
Yeah.
Step to the side. Just don't. It's just never. You never want to.
I know.
It's kind of a bad. Just sit right here. You're gold.
But I gotta start it for him.
Come right.
Yeah, I don't
Come
know
in from right here.
Yeah,
to the
don't
side.
touch them. Don't
My hands
kill
are off.
Jordan right now.
No,
you gotta
you
pay
can put your
Dave.
hands on it. It won't go until we hit this release.
Till
button. So you, let's
take
put your hands
Dave
on. I
and
might be
pull.
able to do it.
Thanks for looking after me.
Yeah, what are friends for?
Okay. Hey, you gotta tell me what to do, man.
So that red button is your parking brake, basically. Controls will not work until you release that button, and you can't release that button until you start it. So that protects you from hitting the controls at any point.
Okay.
So now you can start
If
it.
you fuck up, you just
And he just
don't touch anything,
turn it.
right?
is it a starter like a regular?
Yeah, here. Yeah.
Watch where you're standing.
So now, can you reach that or no? You see the parking brake on the screen? See it says P? Once you push that in, it'll release. Now you're live. So you should
So this'll work.
push the right one just down, and the bucket should go down, I think.
Sweet.
He's on slow, yeah.
What you need to do is go down there in the morning.
A little bit more.
Something to do.
That's good. Okay, so there's a foot pedal which you can't use for throttle, but there's also, see that switch on the right up top? You're in slow right now. Leave it in slow, but that's your speed. No, I'm not.
Okay.
And then this shows you things, and then it also has a back camera. So that is gonna go right with that control. That's your tilt of your bucket, and this tilts it up
Wait.
this way. Can you go that way? You got the strength. That tilts the bucket,
Okay.
and then your left is all your control, your speed, front, back, left, right.
Alright, so that's. Where should I drive it?
Cruise it down the road, or stay away from that edge.
What?
You can spin a circle.
Anywhere you want.
go down this road.
Yeah. I think it's funner to move dirt around than drive.
The bucket's stuck open though.
Right. Well,
We could switch the bucket. won't tip. Feels like it, but it won't.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you haven't got to enjoy these yet.
What was that?
I'm surprised you haven't got to use these yet. They're pretty fun.
I'm surprised we haven't thought of this yet.
I mean, I think he doesn't have any limitations once he's in it. Really, with the foot throttle, he could throttle from up top.
Right, right.
It's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
And it's like a badass electric chair. For like, that bucket's stuck open because the hydraulic line's broke. Otherwise, you could move some dirt.
We can give him a better bucket.
We could switch the bucket if you want.
You can
Don't
switch
we have
the
that
bucket.
other bucket down there?
I'll take that one off.
Isn't there one more down there though?
Yeah, mine's down there.
Oh, you have a second one. Oh, your regular one.
My regular bucket's down there. But I can just throw that bucket off.
You want